Day 4 of my 2023 Simple Frugal Basics Spring Clean. The plan today is to tackle the open food storage pantry, which will complete the mess room I started yesterday. Then I plan to get to as much of the kitchen as possible. I've been a couponer for 15 years, and when I designed these spaces, it was with the knowledge that I wanted to keep my stockpile items separate from items that are already open. Having adults in training, I also knew that I wanted a small dedicated space for them to cook every day that wasn't in the main kitchen area. Thus, the mess room was born. Building with Shane Homes allowed me the flexibility to frugally design and build these spaces since they don't charge extra to plan spaces according to your needs like builders I've worked with in the past. Essentially, I got the simple, frugal, basic bungalow of my modest dreams and was so happy with the experience that I've now partnered with them to bring even more value to you. Everyone who fills out my referral form will get thousands off the cost of their Shane Homes build, regardless of if that's a townhome, paired home, couponer's bungalow, whatever unique needs you and your family have. Building with Shane Homes gives you the flexibility to move into a space that works for you.